Assalamualaikum students. Now we are having another topic related to which is related to system of units. Now sometimes you go to shopkeeper if some of you says that I have if some of you say just give me 1 kg of sugar and some say give me 1000 gram of sugar. Are the both quantities same? Yeah, exactly. Both the quantities are same. So mass is there a quantity, it is the base or fundamental quantity. But we can say 1 kg of sugar equals to, as we are now aware, it is equal to 1000 grams. So either if somebody says I have bought 1000 gram of sugar and another person says I have bought 1 kg of sugar, both have bought equal quantity of sugar. So we are having three systems. One is called as a CGS. In this very system, we are going to measure the base quantities, length, mass, and time. In this very system, length is measured in centimeter. Centimeter. Mass is measured in grams. And time is measured in second. So it is G, it is C, and it is S, the second. And in this very system, it is foot, pound, and second. Pound, foot, pound, and second. In this very system, we are going to measure length in foot, and we are going to measure mass in pound, and we are going to measure time again in second. And in this very system, which is called as MKS system, we are going to measure mass in meter, length in meter, mass in kilogram, and time in second. So regarding these three various systems, this is called as MKS. That is why MKS, meter, kilogram, and second. And we were having another system which we were having, that is SI system, Standard International. This system was introduced by General Conference of Weights and Measurement Department in 1960, and this system is the modified form of MKS system. Actually, SI system is actually, if we will say RMKS, this system is also called as RMKS, because in SI system we measure length in meter, we measure mass in kg, and we measure time in second. But there is R means rationalized MKS system. So once the system is rationalized, because in some countries what was the meter was having, if now we will take the meter is 39 inches. Yeah, but if you are going to go by rationalize, we mean if you are gonna go anywhere in the world, whatever will measure 1 meter in Kashmir or in India or in Pakistan or in any other country or USA, or you will say Turkey, you will say UK, anywhere throughout the universe, wherever you go, whatever will measure 1 meter in this very Kashmir, it is going to measure in different states of India, it is going to measure in different countries of world. That's the mean by rationalized. Because earlier what was happening, sometimes the meter in one country was a bit smaller as compared to the meter in the another countries. So that is why they are using the term. Otherwise, there is no change. It is meter, kilogram, second. It is RMKS, rationalized system. It is called as the rationalized system. So simply, these were some systems which we have discussed. System of units. We are having broadly three system of units. In these very systems, we will in CGS system we measure the length in centimeter. grams in mass is measured in grams, time in second. In FPS system, we measure length in feet, mass in pound, and time in second. In MKS system, we measure length in meter, mass in kilogram, and time in second. So this was the lecture related to system of units. Tomorrow will be with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.